I want to tell you a little story about my 1970 Dodge Charger. For many years it sat just outside of Dallas, Texas, rotting away in a field. Years went by as I dreamt of having a classic 1970s Mopar. After 4 Dodge motors that were horribly damaged, the future was looking bleak. With no reliable engine, I almost abandoned the project completely. Until I got the crazy idea to swap in a motor I could actually trust. The second generation Coyote 5.0. Now don't get me wrong, 426 Hemi would have been pretty cool in this car, but who can afford $26,000? Despite all the issues I was facing with the fuel system over the summer testing out generic fuel pumps, I have to give a huge shout out to Quantum Fuel Systems out of Ventura, California. They were able to save the day, give me a part super fast overnight, and have a lifetime warranty. They took care of my needs very quickly. Visit highflowfuel.com for all of your car needs. Thanks to Quantum Fuel Systems, now I can enjoy driving it again. I realize the car is far from finished, but it's a work in progress and it takes many years to get all this stuff gathered together and reassembled. The most common question I ever get about this car is, are you ever going to paint it? And while yes, I do have plans to paint it and finish it one day, I might as well enjoy beating the crap out of it first. I had to custom build a transmission tunnel to house the MT82. It has a fully functioning e-brake from a 2007 Mustang GT. When it gets closer to completion, my hope is to have it looking 100% Mopar on the outside while it's a Ford on the inside. The only dead giveaway is the Mustang GT Performance Package 2 rims here. Believe it or not, fitting the motor in the car was way easier than actually dealing with the air intake system right here. Having to get something that fit under the hood, would completely close, and house a mass airflow sensor was challenging. It has a KRC power steering pump system designed for the Coyote system, Willwood master cylinder, a K&N air filter, a Ford control pack designed for a manual transmission.
So a lot of you would probably be asking, why would I do this? Because I can. And because I tried Dodge motors for several years and I gave up on them. So I'd rather go with something I know that works. Ford.
While we have the Willwood 6-piston 12.19 rotors up front, found a cheaper option for the rear that actually adapts Ford Mustang GT brakes to the rear end. Thanks to Invincible Extremes on YouTube, he sold me some brackets that adapted these to my car. Pretty easy, it's a simple installation, it doesn't take much effort. There you can see the Ford logo off the GT Mustang brake calipers on a 1970 Dodge Charger. Thanks, Invincible Extremes. The most important thing to remember when building anything in life, whether it's a car project, a home, whatever have you, do it your way, make it your own, and enjoy it. Don't listen to what other people have to say. It's your project, it's your dream. Bring it to life and enjoy the hell out of it.